This is a very deep quad stretch, so please make sure you warm up hamstrings, back, and quads before you do this. Bring a towel all the way up against the wall for support of your knees, and you also need 2 blocks for this practice. Starting in a kneeling shape, slide your knee and your shin all the way up against the wall and press your foot flat, the top of your foot flat to the wall. Bring your hips and your butt all the way back to your heel. Opposite leg is in a lunge position. Extend your arms up high towards the ceiling. Exhale to lower your hands back down to your blocks when you're ready, gently sliding your knee away from the wall and switching out your legs. Opposite knee comes down to your pad of blankets. Sliding your knee, shin, and foot all the way to the wall. Hips go back to your heel. Opposite leg is in a lunge. Straighten up your back and extend your arms towards the ceiling long by your ears. Hold for a few breaths. Exhale, lower your hands back down to your blocks, sliding your knee, foot, and shin away from the wall. You can use your toes to help you press away. Coming to a standing forward fold,